Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to guide you through how to find your Westpac customer ID. Now your Westpac customer ID is typically an 8-digit number. You can find it using one of those methods. You can find it on your account statement. Now just simply look towards the top of your Westpac account statement. Your customer ID should be clearly displayed there. Now you can also find it in your welcome email. If you recently opened your account or registered for online banking, your customer ID may be included in the email you received from Westpac. You can also find it using your Westpac app if you already registered for online banking. What you do is open the Westpac app on your mobile device. Go on the sign in screen, look for and tap Forgot Customer ID or Password. Then select the option for Customer ID. Follow the prompt, which will likely involve entering some personal details and a one-time SMS code sent to a registered mobile number. The customer ID will then be displayed. You can also use Westpac Online Banking if you are already registered. Simply go to Westpac Online Banking sign-in page on a computer. Westpac Online Banking sign-in page on a computer. Select Forgot Customer ID or Password. Then choose the option for Customer ID. Like I said, you will enter the required details like your Westpac card number, name, and date of birth. Then follow the steps, including entering an SMS code for verification. The customer ID will be shown. You can also decide to contact Westpac. If you're unable to find your customer ID using all the methods I've mentioned previously, just contact them directly by phone. They'll be able to help you retrieve it after verifying your identity. So simply choose the method that is most convenient for you based on what you have access to.